Drink 1 cup of this to remove face wrinkles. Easy homemade recipe. This drink that you can easily make at home can boost your body's collagen production, which is the key for a healthy, wrinkle-free skin. But first, let's talk about the main highlight of this drink, collagen. What role does it have in skin health? Collagen is a kind of protein that makes up the skin's inner layer. It gives the skin elasticity and strength, but over time, due to aging, collagen in the body breaks down, which leads to fine lines, wrinkles, and other unwanted effects. Furthermore, prolonged exposure to sunlight contributes to decrease of collagen in the body. But although you can't stop yourself from getting old, there's still a way to avoid skin aging, and this is through this natural homemade drink that helps boost collagen production and gives your skin the nourishment it needs. To make it, you'll need a handful of spinach or kale, or you can use both, the juice of half a lime or lemon, a handful of any kind of berries, 1 quart of an avocado, 1 cup of soy milk or almond milk, 1 tablespoon of raw natural honey. Simply blend all the ingredients and you now have a delicious drink you can take daily to take care of your skin. Now let's talk about the ingredients of the recipe and how they improve skin health. Kale and spinach. Studies have shown that a higher intake of green vegetables was associated with fewer wrinkles in women. Green leafy vegetables like kale and spinach are a rich source of vitamin C, which is necessary for collagen production. And since vitamin C is not naturally produced by the body, it's very important to add fresh fruits and vegetables to your everyday diet because they're the richest natural sources of vitamin C. Kale and spinach are also rich in antioxidants and vitamin E that help prevent collagen degradation. If you're finding this video helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll be notified once we upload a new video. Next, lime and lemon. These are excellent sources of vitamin C, which plays a critical role in the production of collagen in the body. Berries are also a great source of vitamin C. They also contain an antioxidant called ellagic acid, which has been found to reduce wrinkles and help protect the skin from getting damaged by the sun. Next, avocados. Avocados contain healthy fats and vitamin E that nourishes the skin. In addition to that, avocados have lutein and zeaxanthin, which are antioxidants that help prevent skin aging caused by frequent sun exposure. Soy milk and almond milk. Studies have shown that soy milk helps reduce the signs of skin aging due to frequent sun exposure. Soybeans contain linoleic acid, a kind of antioxidant that helps maintain youthful, healthy skin. Moreover, results of a study conducted in Japan show that regular consumption of soy milk brought positive effects on the skin health of postmenopausal women. Meanwhile, almond milk is rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect the skin against sun damage. It also contains proteins that aid in collagen production. And lastly, raw natural honey. It contains alpha-hydroxy acids, which are natural plant compounds that help remove dead skin cells. It also has antioxidants and zinc that help keep the skin nourished and young-looking. Now you know how the ingredients of that homemade drink will benefit your skin. Just make sure that along with consuming the drink, eat nutritious foods, drink plenty of water, and get enough rest. You'll surely maintain the youthfulness of your skin despite aging. And speaking of natural remedies that you can easily make at home, you might also want to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, where you'll find 800 plus medicinal plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It includes recipes of teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has high-definition color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. To learn more about the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, check out the link in the description below. And that's the end of our video. We hope you learned something new today. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned because more informative health videos are coming very soon on our channel. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you again next time.